Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm playing another game that's to do with fire alarms and intruder alarms. So first off, I'll show you what the game is called. It's called IDK, and I'll post a link in the description. In fact, I'll just copy it now. Anyway, and it's by striking with you. So let's have a look around. So it looks like nothing, but it's because we're facing the wrong way. So it's like a big garage area. And we have Pyronix Deltabell Pluses as the bell boxes. So there's one, Deltabell X's in fact, not pluses. There's one there, and then there's one round here, as you can see. And then there is also, a dummy one around the back here, which doesn't work. It's just a dummy decoy one. Fake, replica, whatever you call it. So if we go around in and we'll see the devices that we've got here. So yeah, just like, I'll just take these fobs, I don't know why there's too many of them. So we have the control panel, bit different. This is an 80 security one, same as the old one. It's an old thing. That must be the installer, MP alarms. We've got, it says all Alphaplex and stuff. Control panel, but it looks more like a Kentec one. So all the buttons at the front. So for intruder alarms, we have these. Oh, I can't remember what they're called now. Honeywell PIRs. I'll do a Google later and I'll tell you in the description. There's one there, and one here. I think that's it on this side, yeah. Then we have these Texecom DT PIRs. And then, there's another Honeywell one there. And another DT one there. Okay, and so for fire alarms, so as you can see there's the panel. We have these Apollo sounder speech beacon sounder things. So there's 4 here, there's one there. And I don't know if you see it. My mouse is circling just there. Then there is one just there. And then one just here. And the cool points, there's 4 of them. We've got the Apollo cool points, which reset when you reset the panel. That's another one there, one over there, and then there's one by the main panel. So we'll do a quick test. Well, let's see, what should we test first? I think we should test intruder alarm first this time. So this is different because instead of it arming automatically, arming it straight away, you have to press yes. So it'll be, and then press yes. Come on, let me. Oh, I think I might just try that one. I'm just going to turn it down. So as you can see, same as always, the bell boxes flash. And yeah, it'll beep now. So we will just go and say hello to that PIR around the corner here. Right, that's now reset. So we're going to activate the alarm now. So we'll go, there's no panic button, so what we'll have to do is arm it. Quickly run over to these toilets over here. And we'll activate one of the PIRs on the other side. So then it should decide to go on. Here we go. Those creaking noises is the creaking noises is the mailboxes which are flashing. They're activated. Let's just reset that now. What's that say now? Press no to reset. Okay, let's reset that and press no. I'm pressing no. There we go. Right, okay, I'm going to try something else. So let's see what happens if I press no. Oh, it signs itself out. Okay then. Right, so here, yeah, this is the panel now. So let's test the pull point here. So that should do a quick walkthrough. Oh, by the way, the smoke detectors, by the looks of things, are. Oh, what could they be? I would say either Fike, the don't know, the multi-sense ones, I guess, or Hot Cheeky or Hey Cheeky, or possibly even ProTech, the ProTech plug and play ones, which I can't test because there's no test spray. That's okay. We'll test the cool points. So let's do cool point 1, 3, 2, 1. Come on. You see the strobes are flashing. And yeah, it's flashing over there.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators. May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
There you go. And like normal alarm systems, the strobes continue flashing until you reset the panel, which is this button here. And now everything's back to normal. Okay, we'll just quickly test this one and then test that one and then the other ones. 2 more to test after this one. Okay.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
I like the way it does that sort of like long tone at the end to say it's been reset and it's resetting. So let's do the furthest one over here in the corner by the toilets. A bit dangerous though, because can I get to this? I probably won't be able to. Strobes still work. I like these ones, these are cool.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit. Do not use the elevators.
And then final one, then I think you can do a walk test on this. I'm not sure, but I think you can. Let's just quickly activate this one. Perfect, right. To do walk test, you just press the man walking button. And then this will test, I think this is zone 1. Those two, the 2 cool points on this side of zone 1. Yeah, this is zone 2. I haven't had a proper look at that, so looking at 3, 2, 1. Should start, yeah, straight, and then on the panel it does say walk test. So if I were to activate that, it won't let me because I've already tested it. Did it just flash? I think it did. Anyway, let's test the second one. This one, see if it's the same. So that light, there's a light that should stop soon. Well, should go back to normal. If it doesn't, that's worrying. If it's a walk test, surely it should just reset. It's panel. Oh, there's reset. There we go. Okay, so that's the walk test feature. I think that's it for the features on here. So I'll just go back to normal. If it wants to go back to normal. Oh, you have to click no active. Right, let's just do a quick drill. Which then should. Settings. What can you do in settings? I think that might be actually. It won't let me do settings. No. Well, that's it, I think. So yeah, as I said, I'll give you a link to the game and I'll try and figure out what this PIR is. I think it's Honeywell or something. But anyway, I'll find out and I'll put it in the description soon. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe.